Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can reactivate your Facebook account. So it's pretty simple. In order to reactivate your Facebook account, you just have to log in into your account and it'll be automatically reactivated. So let me show you. So I'm going to log in into my account which I just deactivated. So in order to reactivate the account, I need to enter the email address or phone number, whatever thing you used when you created that account, enter that over here. I use my email, so I will enter my email over here. Now after you enter the email where it says password, enter the password of your Facebook account. So I'm going to enter the password of my Facebook account. After you do that, just click on login. And if the email and password you entered over here is correct, your Facebook account should be reactivated easily just like this. As you guys can see, my Facebook account has been reactivated over here. That's how simple it is to reactivate a Facebook account. Most people think they have to do something like, massive, but no. To reactivate a Facebook account, you just have to re-log in into it again and it'll automatically be reactivated. So I hope you understand how to do this. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.